Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting into the right server and preparing gear fast. Make sure you have a speedy ship and crew, plus the required bounty or level, because speed determines success. Once done, open your map and ping potential factory spawn corridors, then set a waypoint and sail directly. You do this because the factory raid spawns move and the first team there gets priority, so haste beats hesitation. Move now, keeping a lookout for enemy crews as you close distance. Once en route, focus on movement and coordination. Use every speed boost available, sail upgrades, sprint, and your fruit because shaving seconds matters. You should communicate roles. One player watches for ambushes, another keeps engine repairs ready. Make short engagements if needed, but avoid long fights that slow you down. The goal is to reach the factory entrance intact. Keeping momentum is how you secure the raid before other crews converge, so keep pressure and timing tight as you approach. At the factory, act immediately. Clear entry guards and close doors to control flow, because chaos lets rivals steal your spot. Once inside, split tasks. Assign burst damage to the boss, others manage adds and revives, and rotate stamina to avoid wipe. If another crew overwhelms you, do not keep fighting, pull back to a safe location and regroup. This prevents losses and lets you reset, either by camping the spawn briefly or hopping servers, which is often the fastest recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.